Hello and welcome to Institut Teknologi Bandung. In this video, we are going to learn about how to use Edunex, ITB's learning management system. First, how do you access Edunex? Open your browser. We suggest using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and type in edunex.itb.ac.id. You will be taken to this landing page. Click Sign In and then log in with your SSO or INA login. This is the same credentials that you have been given to enter the academic system. If you are unsure about your credentials, please contact your faculty officer or the education directory in ITB. Next, let's see how we can navigate Edunex to access learning materials, submit assignments, and do exams. Upon login, you will see the main dashboard of Edunex. On the left-hand side, there is the main navigation pane, where we can see several buttons that will take you to a list of all your classes, to-do list, a list of your video conferences, assignments, exams, and discussion. On the top panel, you can see a rotating carousel of open courses accessible to everyone in ITB. On the middle panel is where the courses are placed, and on the right panel is the control panel. To see your courses, you can click My Courses. You can search for courses here. For example, I'll search for Anatomy and Physiology course. Here I can click. Here we can see the main panel of the class. The classes in Edunex are organized by modules. You can see the table of contents of the modules on the left-hand side. Some modules are on black and you can access them, and some modules are on gray. It means you cannot access them yet. Here on an introduction, you can see a link for a Zoom meeting. You can go to the Zoom meeting simply by clicking Join Conference. Now, let's click on a module to access it. Here on Module 1, you can see several lists of materials. You can click on the title to open them. This file is a PDF file that you can navigate directly in Edunex. So you can go to the next pages easily, or alternatively, you can download a copy to your computer. In addition to PDF files, you can also access PowerPoint files. This is a PowerPoint file that you can navigate through directly, and again, you can download a copy too. In addition to static files, we can also access videos in Edunex. Here is an example of a video. We can play the video directly. Or download them for later. In addition to accessing materials, you can also do activities in Edunex. First, let's see how to submit an assignment. I'll go to Module 2, and here we can see a small assignment. This translates into choose one of the signals in the human body and explain the physiological mechanism that produce them. So here you can see the start of the assignment date and the end of the assignment or the deadline. Let's try submitting the assignment. Here is my assignment attached, and upload the file. I'll choose one of my files. And I'll save my answer. At this stage, The assignment is in draft format and I can still edit it. When I finish, I will submit. Yes. Now my assignment is submitted. Next, let's do a small quiz. I'll go to this submodule where there is a quiz. You can see here the start and end time of the quiz. I can click Start Exam, click OK, and then you can see here there are 10 questions that we can navigate directly to. There is the time left and other information regarding the quiz. You can answer multiple choice by simply clicking on the right answer. You can see here questions that has been answered turn green on the left-hand panel. You can also navigate through the next question and back button. You can skip questions and come back later when you need. When you finish answering all the questions, you can click Finish Exam. And that's it. You have the results. That's not too good, but that's okay for a first quiz. Thank you, and we hope that you have a fruitful learning experience in ITB. If you run into any problems in using Edunex, please don't hesitate to contact our care center at WhatsApp +62 812 1865 2480.